Hi guys, welcome back to Robbie D's Kitchen. I'm Robin, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my turkey for the holidays. So let's get into the video. I prep my turkey 4 days before baking, but 3 days before I do a wet brine. So here I'm just going to be cutting up all of my veggies, my celery, my onions, my bell peppers, just roughly chopping them. You can even throw like the seeds in there, it doesn't matter. And I'm also going to be adding to that some orange and limes and some lemon juice as well. You can use sour orange if you're from the Caribbean and you have access to it. So here I'm just taking off the packaging from my turkey that is frozen, because I will be putting it in the brine frozen. Now I'm just going to be putting everything in this container that the turkey fits nicely into. And it is a children's toy box container that I just picked up from the store, and I use it to brine my turkey, and it works really well, and it also comes with a cover. If you have a bigger turkey, you would need something that it fits into, like a bucket or something, and you would need to make space in your fridge so that it fits in there, because this has to be refrigerated. I would recommend you adding your water and salt and sugar first. FYI, all of the ingredients and measurements are down below as always. But yeah, I would suggest that you put the water and then the salt and sugar and mix it so you could dissolve everything in the water, because that could be easier than what I did, which is adding everything first, then putting the salt and sugar and trying to mix it, because you have to work around the turkey, and because we fill in this with water, it's gonna like splash out. Also, as you can see, after I squeeze the juices out of the limes and the oranges, I just leave the rind in there just to marinate with the turkey, add some more flavor, all that good stuff. Now I'm just going to be adding my salt. So there is a way to do this. So it's 1 tablespoon of salt to every 2 pounds of turkey. And my turkey was about, I think, 9 pounds and something. I will have that information down below. And I'm just gonna mix that in there. And I will also be adding some sugar as well, and just incorporating all of that in there until it's pretty much dissolved. Like I said, you probably want to do this before you add all of the stuff in there. So this is 1 day before I bake the turkey. So I did let my turkey sit out on the countertop for a few hours just to make sure it was defrosted, because I do live in Canada, so it is a little cold, so I just wanted to make sure it wasn't frozen. Now I'm just gonna be cleaning out the inside of the turkey, taking out the neck and the gizzards, and taking off that thigh thing that on a turkey. And I'm gonna be washing the turkey off thoroughly and kind of scrubbing it with the oranges and lime rind. You do want to make sure that you're doing this in a clean sink as well. Now I'm gonna go and put my turkey back in the container, and I'm using some room temperature butter to just rub on the turkey with the seasoning mixture. So I would suggest that you probably melt the butter or make like a paste with the seasoning mixture and the butter, just so the butter doesn't stick to your hands. And you want to massage the turkey, get under the skin, all that good stuff, and then I gave it a few shakes as well. So I did let my turkey sit on the countertop for a few hours just to reach room temperature before I baked it. And there's my turkey all nice and marinated and ready to bake. So I did transfer it into a baking dish. This baking dish was used as the dish for my water bath for my cheesecake recipe. So if you haven't checked that out, please do. I'm just gonna put the turkey in there and then put it in the baker. You can also roast your turkey with vegetables and stuff, but I'm not gonna be doing any of that. I'm also gonna be pouring that extra marinade juice over top because why not? Flavor. So in the baker, the turkey will start to get brown. I didn't cover it or anything, but once it starts to get your desired color, you do want to cover it. I noticed that I call the oven the baker. FYI, in the Bahamas, our dialect, we say baker. So, just so you know, now you know. Once the turkey is done, it will look like this. I know my turkey is a little bit dark, but that's how I like it. Nice crispy skin, nice juicy meat. So I'm just gonna take some of that gravy in the pan and just spoon that over top. You do want to let your turkey rest before you cut into it, but once you do, it should be nice and juicy and moist. This turkey was super juicy and it was super good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and share. Stay tuned for the videos to come because they will be things that I made with this turkey. So if you're interested in seeing more Thanksgiving recipes, don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, bye!